Meaning of half-hardy.
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 Half-hardy. Half-hardy is a term used to describe plants that are not fully adapted to cold temperatures and can be damaged or killed when exposed to frost. These plants are able to withstand mild frosts, but extended periods of cold weather can be detrimental to their growth and survival. Gardeners often use this term when selecting plants for their gardens in order to ensure that they plant species that are suitable for the climate and will thrive in their particular area. It is important to select half-hardy plants carefully to avoid problems with winter damage and to promote healthy growth and development.